Hello people, so today we will talk about iPhone features on our daily needs, and today I would like to show you the way how to activate the spelling check or check spelling into your keyboard. So basically this feature will gonna help you to predict the typing the spelling that you use during typing the text, and this is the tutorial. Open your settings and then you just need to scrolling down until you found general, so you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down into this section until you found keyboard, and then you just need to go click it again, and then you just need to focus into the third box. There will be a lot of options that we can customize here. There will be an auto correction, smart function, prediction, predictive text, and so on and so on. Since we want to activate the spelling check, so you just need to take a look on the third line before the last line, which is the check spelling. So you just need to go click this side and you're done. So now you already got the check spelling feature into your keyboard, so you will got a help to check your spelling during typing the text. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.